Autofill is a tool that allows you to quickly fill cells with repetitive or sequential data. Let's start with numbers. Type the first number in the sequence into a cell. Click on the bottom right corner of the cell, where you will see a small square. This is the autofill handle. Drag the autofill handle down or across to fill the cells. Excel will automatically continue the sequence for you. Now let's try it with dates. Enter the starting date in a cell. Again, click and drag the autofill handle. Excel will fill in the subsequent dates in the sequence. You can also use autofill with formulas. Enter the formula in a cell. Drag the autofill handle. Excel will adjust the formulas for each cell, applying the correct reference automatically. If you often use a specific list of items, you can create a custom list for autofill. Go to File, then Options, then Advanced. Scroll down to the General section and click on Edit Custom List. Add your list items there, and now you can autofill them just like numbers or dates.